Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to HW News English. Cyclone Remal has cut off several northeastern states from the rest of the country. This is through the rail routes. This comes after the railway tracks were waterlogged and damaged. They were damaged after a landslide triggered by rain in the aftermath of Cyclone Remal. States like Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram and southern part of the Assam remain cut off from the rest of the country after Cyclone Remal. According to an official of Northeast Frontier Railway, railway tracks were inundated due to heavy rains. The official further added that due to heavy rain, railway tracks were damaged in at least 10 places in the New Haflong Bandarkhal section under the Lumding division in southern parts of Assam's Dima Hasao district. This route connects to South Assam, Tripura, Manipur and Mizoram. According to a report by NDTV, the engineers and workers are working to restore the rail services, but because of the heavy rainfall and adverse weather conditions have badly affected the restoration work. But the full-fledged work could not be started until the rain stopped. There is a huge disruption caused due to damage of rail tracks. Since Tuesday, the Northeast Frontier Railway has cancelled a large number of express trains, passenger trains and goods trains which were bound for South Assam, Tripura, Manipur and Mizoram. Moreover, passenger and goods train services were affected in the region for the last few weeks owing to heavy landslides which caused damage to railway tracks in the Jatinga, Lumpur, New Harangjao section under the Lumding division in Assam's Dima Hasao district. This disruption in the rail services in the northeast has caused a major shortage of transport fuel, which are petrol and diesel. Plus, there is also shortage of other essential goods in southern Assam, Tripura, Mizoram and Manipur. These states are heavily dependent on fuel, essential items, food grains and other commodities from the outside. Although keeping in mind the damaged railway tracks and wet soil in the region, the railway is recently operating a limited number of trains in daytime on the hilly routes by regulating long distance and express trains. Moreover, due to this heavy rain and landslide, the highway connectivity was also affected in these northeastern states. In Manipur, at least 3 people have died and thousands were affected due to flooding in Imphal Valley. The Imphal River has overflowed due to heavy rains. The water has entered hundreds of houses in the valley. In Mizoram, there were multiple landslides in Aizawl. Reports suggest that till now 28 bodies have been recovered. More than 120 houses, schools and churches have been damaged due to the heavy rainfall. The rescue operations in these states are on. Well, that's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
A grueling 6-week-long general election in India is coming to an end. 543 constituencies across the length and breadth of India.
लोकसभा चुनाव 2024 आ चुका है अपने अंतिम पड़ाव पर। कौन होगा विजय? किसकी बनेगी सरकार?
Will the BJP do 400 par, a claim made by the Prime Minister, or will the opposition India Alliance stage a comeback?
अब की बार
Join us as we bring to you expert analysis and incisive and in-depth perspectives on who has the edge.
पाए सटीक विश्लेषण, बिना किसी शोर, बिना किसी सनसनी, हमारे इस विशेष लाइव।
So join us for the exit poll on the 1st and for the final results on the 4th. See you then.
Exit polls coverage on 1st June 6:30 PM onwards. Result day on 4th June 7 AM onwards.
सिर्फ HW News English और HW News Network पर।
Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.